Hello my lovelies, today we're gonna play with water activated false lashes. You don't need glue, you don't need any type of adhesive. All you need is just some water. This is by Ardell, this is their Aqua Lashes. No adhesive needed, dip and apply. This retails for $5.99 and I picked up style 344. I'm excited to see how they last. So basically, we're gonna see how the application is and then do a wear test and then come back at the end of the night and see how we look. Let's put these on. And it looks like there is some kind of adhesive on the lash line already, but it's very stiff. Step 1, measure how long you want your lashes to be from the inner and outer corner before you trim. So you can see I have to trim that inner corner and then a little bit of the outer corner right here. Now let's submerge it in water for 10 to 15 seconds. I did touch a little bit of the adhesive and it's definitely some type of adhesive that's water activated. Okay. The only thing is this lash band, it's so stiff and thick. Ooh, that's quite messy. Yeah, it's not wanting to stick. You see what it's doing? I'm fixing one side and the other side just wants to lift. Like look at that inner corner. You can literally see all of that lash band, that clear part, the adhesive. It is so thick and it's not malleable. So I feel like you just have to keep getting it wet over and over again, which is frustrating. And I'm trying to hold it down. I'm just happy I got at least the center and the outer part somewhat. Nope. Oh, you see all that glue coming off? Yeah, see even the outer part doesn't want to stick to anything even though I was holding it there for the longest time. Yeah, see it's like so messy. I like that it's clear though, but it's getting all over the lashes. So it's getting stuck to the lashes, but it's not getting stuck to areas where I want it to get stuck. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I think I kind of got this lash to work. It's just so sticky. It's quite uncomfortable. The band is so thick. I'm gonna redo this eye right here, hold it in for 15 seconds again to really get that inner corner really malleable. So this is my third time applying the right lash and I got it wet 3 times. The second time I almost had it. I was fixing the inner corner. You see what it's doing, it's kind of lifting. I'm trying to fix it and then the entire lash came off. So they're quite sensitive. I'm seeing that once it dries, you can see that clear shiny layer. Let me see if it's sticky. Nope, it doesn't feel tacky once it's dry. But that inner corner, it looks really crusty. It does not look good, so definitely to fix this is with eyeliner and lots of mascara. That's what I'm gonna have to do. And I'm also finding when that adhesive is activated, it feels like, because when you stretch it out, I can feel it all over my face. I don't know if you see that right there. It's all over my face and it feels like tiny little hairs, but the thing is you can't see it because it's clear. The good thing is it's not super sticky. So that's good, but it is quite messy and it's getting all over the lashes. You can see it right there. It's connecting the lower lashes to the upper lashes and look how crusty these lower lashes are. Like look at that, they're barely moving. So I have to be gentle, kind of take that off. That inner corner is not doing anything. It's not sticking. I'm gonna apply some mascara to the left eye since I already had time to really set while I was playing with my right eye. I'm just using some Lancome. Yeah, and this is not fun to apply mascara. So I would apply it first, but the thing is you're applying literally wet lashes. to mascara, so that's why I wanted to wait until after. And my lashes, they're so sticky and they're so stiff because of that adhesive. I'm just gonna try to go back over. Ooh, that looks so bad. I try to stick them further together. I'm trying to make this work as much as possible. So it's definitely not hassle-free. Do you see that all over my face? Looks like I have cobwebs all over my face. Look at that. Okay, I did my best to really make them look somewhat consistent and somewhat wearable, but both of these inner corners are making my eyes look really awkward in shape. But I think the actual lashes, they're really wispy, they're really beautiful. I think you can definitely get away with wearing them like on a daily basis, like this length and this style, but that lash band is so thick and it's so uncomfortable, especially in the inner corner. It's just, you can't do anything with it. The only way, like I said, to fix it is with eyeliner and then apply extra lash adhesive on top of this lash adhesive, but I don't know how that's going to react to the already water activated adhesive. But I did use this 3 times, and on the 3rd try I made it work, and it looks like it's sticking to my lash line except for that inner corner. This side also, it's not sticking to the inner corner, and the outer lash as well, it's doing something wonky. But once this adhesive has dried down, or this lash line water activated adhesive, whatever you want to call it, it does like this really weird thing. It just pulls and it looks like cobwebs on your eyes, and you can actually feel it on your face, especially trying to fix it. So I had to clean my lash applicator so often that it's just, I felt it's taking way more time than just regular false lashes with an eyeliner adhesive or whatever else you're using. And it's getting stuck to the rest of my lashes, and every time I close my eyes, my lashes get stuck to each other, and it's just really uncomfortable. Even though I keep cleaning it, they're still getting stuck. So I wouldn't say this is mess free. It's just annoying at this point now where I just want to take this off. But like I said, we're gonna wear this all day as much as I can, and then see what is going to happen. But it looks like I have crusties all over my eyes, just the way it's drying down, and it's not flattering. Let's see how these wear throughout the day, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Doing the first update, I was telling Andre and Macy that for some reason, my eyes, they're so sensitive right now, and usually my eyes are not sensitive, but I have like a really bad headache right here, like right above my eyes, like behind my eyes, and my eyes, they just feel so heavy and so irritated, and it's getting pulled like right there. And on the inner corner, like the lashes are pretty much just lifted. They don't want to do anything, they don't want to cooperate. And yeah, that's right, Emma, that's how I'm feeling. My lashes look so crusty. It does not look good. But yeah, I don't know, I like the concept, but having them on the eyes, it's so uncomfortable, and my eyes, they just keep watering right here in the inner corner, and these lashes in the inner corner just keep getting lifted, and they're not sticking, but then they're sticking again, then they're not sticking. It's just, they're getting reactivated over and over again, and it's looking really bad and so uncomfortable. It's just, yeah, not the greatest experience with fake lashes, let's just put it that way. We have made it to the end of the night, and I just have to say one thing about these lashes. Probably the most uncomfortable fake lashes I have ever worn, because that lash line, that water activated adhesive, it's not malleable once it dries, which I understand, but it's just so uncomfortable on the eyes that it's poking everything, it's sitting on there uncomfortably. And it's just, oh, I can't wait to take them off. And yeah, these are such uncomfortable lashes. And I think that's where it just ends for me. Like, I can't sit here and recommend these particular lashes. Ardell has beautiful lashes, but just something with this, just because the band is, that adhesive on there is so thick, and just the way it sits and the way it molds, and just, it doesn't do anything once it dries. It's so uncomfortable. And my eyes there in the inner corner, they just were watering all day today. The positive thing is, I actually like the way they look. but that's where it ends. Once you activate the lash band, that adhesive kind of rolls onto the rest of the lashes, and you can see right here, like, they don't move. Look at how stiff they are. Like, that just looks so bad. And usually fake lashes, they will have some kind of movement to them. They'll have that wispiness, something to it, not something like this where it's literally glued. Like, I mean, you can't even move these lashes. So one other positive is, like, these lashes, they're really on there. Even though they're so stiff, like, they haven't really moved from the center of my eyes, which is great. So I definitely would not recommend just to take them off. Definitely, like they said, get water and make sure you kind of reactivate that formula to make it slide off a lot easier. Like it says here, to remove, saturate a cotton swab with water and apply along the lash band. Gently peel away the lash strip, starting from the outer corner. So I think that's literally what I'm going to do. I'm just taking like a cotton pad and just soaked it in water and just very gently running it on my lash line. Oh man, that's so uncomfortable. That actually hurts. Yeah, see, like, it's like stuck on there. I'm not pushing that. I'm not pulling that. If anything, I might need to like soak my eye, especially this one because I tried it 3 times. Oh, there it is. Just very gently. There you go. That's better. I'm gonna go like triple cleanse my eyes just to make sure all that adhesive is off my lashes. But yeah, definitely gotta be very gentle taking these off, or just lashes in general. Please let me know if you've tried these lashes. What was your experience? Was it similar to mine? Was it worse? Was it better? But for now, you guys, please share some of your favorite fake lashes below with all of us. And I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.